Good morning, and welcome to episode 217 of Getting Rich. I'm your host, Rich Checkan, president of Asset Strategies International, and today is Wednesday, March 26th, 2025. The Trump administration has announced an agreement between Russia and Ukraine for a Black Sea ceasefire in exchange for assistance in boosting Russian agricultural exports and restoration of access to payment systems. Here at home, concerns about on-again, off-again tariffs have caused the markets to ebb and flow as they search for direction. Meanwhile, gold and silver have held steady. They took a little bit of a shot on profit taking at the end of last week, but they've recovered to levels and were virtually unchanged over the past week. Let's take a look at the numbers. Gold is down 0.4% to $3,025.80 per ounce. It was $3,037.10 last week. Silver is also down 0.4% to $33.79 an ounce. It was $33.92 last week. Platinum's down 1.1% to $984 an ounce. It was $995 an ounce last week. And palladium is the sole metal that's up. It's up $1 or 0.1% to $981 an ounce. It was $980 an ounce last week. With the ratio between gold and silver virtually unchanged, it's taken a slight dip. It now costs 89.55 ounces of silver to buy 1 ounce of gold. Last week, the ratio stood at 89.54, and the U.S. dollar over the past week has slightly surged, flexing its muscles. It's at 104.28. Last week, we held at 103.67 against our major trading currencies. So sentiment regarding the current economy is mixed. Many see it bad. Some see us already in a recession. Time will tell how that plays out. But regardless, storing purchasing power with gold and silver cannot be a bad thing. Take advantage of these prices. They are not going to stay this low for long. Take advantage of the premiums. They are not going to stay this low for long. I want you to go ahead and join me tomorrow at 4 p.m. So that's Thursday, March 27th at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll have a webinar we've done with Stansberry Asset Management where we look at how to prepare your gold holdings for your heirs to make your heirs' inheritance seamless. When it comes to precious metals, there's some nuances that you may not be thinking of. It's a fantastic webinar we did with Michael Joseph over at Stansberry Asset Management. I encourage you to tune in. The link accompanies the email that brought you this video. Again, Stansberry Asset Management webinar, 4 p.m. Thursday, March 27th. That's tomorrow. Sign up today. As always, we like you to go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us, send us your comments and questions, follow us on our social media, take our twice weekly, always something interesting alerts, and our once monthly information line newsletter. But in the end, don't ever forget that getting rich starts with keeping what's yours.